Miss Ravel is going to attempt this YouTube video about meiosis. So here we have our cell, right guys? So this is just like what we were doing in class a couple weeks ago with the pieces of paper. So we have purple and green, right? And they are different shapes. And as you can see, we have two large shapes, two small shapes, and two medium shapes in the cell. And each paperclip represents chromosomes, or a chromosome, right? So the first thing that happens in the cell is that the chromosomes all line up, right? They've got themselves organized. And the very first thing that happens is, so like I was saying, the first thing that happens is that all the chromosomes replicate, right? So we get two of each type of chromosome. Some of these are prettier than others, I am aware. In any case, then what's going to happen is the chromosomes are going to line up in the middle of the cell and they're going to pair up, right? It doesn't matter if they pair up, like all the green do not need to be on one side, right? They just need to pair by type of chromosome, right? By shape of chromosome. So they get themselves all lined up like this. And then the chromosomes separate. Right? And we go through the first meiosis event. So the chromosomes separate in the nucleus, and then we're gonna have the cell divide. Okay, now we have our two cells, right? They've gone through first meiosis, and so I'm just gonna spin them around a little bit. And the next thing that's gonna happen is we're gonna line our chromosomes up again, right? So our big chromosomes get lined up together, our medium chromosomes, and our small chromosomes. Okay, and that's happening in both cells. They line up, and then they're gonna separate. All right. So this is still just the nucleus separating, right? The meiosis. This is meiosis 2. Okay, and then we're gonna have the cells separate. Okay, so now we ended up with 4 cells, right? Each with a unique set of chromosomes, some from dad and some from mom, right? Each one with one of each type of chromosome, right? One small, one medium, and one large, but they are not all the same. And we have gone through meiosis, which makes gametes or sex cells. Woohoo!